In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Firefox so you can force secure, encrypted connections while browsing the web. This is a simple privacy setting that can help protect your traffic and reduce the chances of loading a site over an insecure connection. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and browser guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can control privacy, security, and connection options. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section contains many of Firefox's most important protection features, including browsing privacy, security controls, and network-related settings. Now scroll down through the page until you find the DNS over HTTPS area. This is where Firefox lets you manage secure DNS behavior and related connection settings. Once you reach that section, click Advanced Settings. The Advanced Settings panel gives you more control over how Firefox handles secure browsing features. In the options that appear, select Off. Turning this off disables that specific feature, which can be useful if you want to manually manage your browser's secure connection behavior or if a site is having compatibility issues. After you make the change, Firefox will usually save it automatically, so there is no extra confirm button in most cases. At this point, your setting has been updated, and you've successfully adjusted the privacy and the security configuration in Firefox. If your goal is to keep browsing safer, it's always a good idea to review related settings too, like tracking protection, cookie controls, and security warnings. Small changes like this can make a big difference in how your browser handles data and protects your connection. And that's how you enable the HTTPS related privacy settings in Firefox through the settings menu. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.